Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today, party platter, plateau aperitif. How to make a nice dressing, a very nice platter with some delicatessen, some cheese, some fruit, some cheese, some vegetables, and some nice crackers, homemade crackers, healthy crackers that we will make right now. We usually serve it before dinner, for special occasion. Let's make some crackers. This is an example of what to put inside, but you can play a lot with this. Basically, you need some flakes. In this case, it's oat flakes, some flour. In this case, it's petit épeautre, some all style. Some flour, some seeds, and some nuts. In this case, it's cashew nuts and seeds. Water, olive oil. And it's not obligation, but today we'll add some Parmesan, grated Parmesan, and some salt. And that's all. And you don't need any device. It's really, really, low tech crackers. My table is clean. I put the flour, 1 part of flour, 1 part of flake, 1 part of seeds, half part of water. For this you can make little corn. And 1/4 of olive oil. 2 nice pinch of salt. So, and my Parmesan or jam. But once again, it's not obligation, but this will give a lot of flavor. And now we just mix all this together. Very easily. So we can do it with hand, and that's done. Well, as much seeds you put, as better it will be. Well, I need a texture like a dough. Tender dough, let's say. I take a baking paper, for the paper, and now you can roll it. You roll it thin, and after it's time to cut it in the form that you like. Rectangular, I think. Some lines, you make some lines. Better cut before cooking. And now we cook about 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The idea of this is also to make as nice as possible dressing with flowers and so on. Here I have a tray, the usual tray, not so nice. And here I have, about the same form, a plate. What I will do is to fill my tray with some flowers and after put on top the plate. Very easy. And find the mimosa in the mountain, but you can take any flower that you will find in your garden or in your countryside house. Or this give a nice view. And up. So now I have a nice tray. Here we have some cheese, some delicatessen, some fruit, some vegetables, and some smoked salmon. And the idea is to play with all of this, with the forms, with the colors, and to make a nice dish. Now, we will start with the cheese. As a good French, I have a sheep strong cheese, a goat cheese. You maybe recognize camembert. And here I have an appetizer, which is like a brother, Switzerland brother of Conte. So it's 4 cheese with 4 different forms and different texture. We will start with the camembert. The camembert, you need to cut it in triangles like this. Never cut camembert in slices, it's important. And usually a camembert, you cut it in 8 or 12 pieces, depending the moment of the day. And if you are 12 people, okay, you make 12 pieces, it will be more little, smaller. For this dish, I will do 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how to cut the cheese with this form? That is really common in many countries. You just cut slices with the in here, and you do this, and you have a nice result. So we cut 4 thin triangles. Of course, we remove the skin. They are a bit big, so I will cut in 2 and make something more nicer. You have more little triangles. Now, if you have a cheese like a Comté or like a really strong cheese, I propose you, when you make platter like this, to make nice rectangular, little rectangular, just very simple, like 2 bites. Of course, we remove the skin. If you have many people, you have to optimize the place. You can build little bridges like this, like pomponneuf in potatoes, in addition to French potatoes. And this way you use just this space, but you can go to the very high, can make a high tower and give some for many people. But in this case, we don't need this. So now the goat cheese, it's a tender one. Of course, if you have a round circular one like this, like cylinder, where you just cut slices, but in this case, it's different. So it will be also like little triangle, like this, and we'll come back to cut in 2 pieces because it's really delicate and it's really fragile. So it have to cut a little bit bigger and not so thick, and bigger and little pieces. I remove the skin. Now we go with delicatessen. So here I have a kind of chorizo. Maybe you find some Italian spinata. How to do this? You take your slice and you make like this. And you press, you confirm, you validate. Up, up. And it sticks. So we make kind of little flowers like this. Now you have more difficult, use big size, about, for instance, so you take it like this and you try to make a kind of rose, kind of like a bed sheet. You make a kind of drapé in French. The same with jamon or cured ham. Well, there is many occasions to do this, to do this platter. You can do for birthday, for party summer, for your darling, special day for darling, like surprise for your darling, whatever. I have some smoked salmon. We smoke some smoked fish, smoked trout, smoked salmon. It's the same, like for a well bit. Now, some veggies and fruits. Usual cucumber. You cut very, very thick slices with knife, or better, you have mandoline, and you make some nice slices like this. My crackers are ready. And immediately we need to put on the grid. To put on the grid to in order to make them dry it, and they will stay like this, they will stay crispy. Oh, remove the paper. We continue with the cucumber. I have my slices. So you take the slices and you make a roll, but you can make full roll or half roll like this. You cut in two half. And you roll it. Well, and now it will be time for apples. So you take an apple. Here you have the heart. You let the heart here, and you cut near this heart. This way you have here the heart stay here, and here you have this piece of apple fully eatable. The same with the red one. Now we cut slices, and here you have a nice roll. But we can put it here, for instance. Here I have two sticks in the other part. So I pick it here, and I turn. I keep this and use as a base. And you can put it here, for instance. And the most important is to close all your plates. We don't have to see the plate at the final. When we finish, we don't have to see the plate. So it's important to full your plate. We still have some space, so we will fill it in order to hide all the plate. That is why it's important you can play with many forms and colors of fruits and vegetables. Can be also there some strawberries, some raspberries, some nuts, cashew nuts, whatever nuts, hazelnuts, chestnuts. Really useful. Radish, little radish, cheap usually. Nice, crispy, tasty every time. Many colors of radish. You have many sorts and varieties of radish. Green ones, pink ones, purple ones, or basic ones. And we put some slices there. Here I have some sweetness of orange. Orange are really very smooth to cut in two halves. This way. And after you turn it, and you cut a slice. Why? Because all what is here you can eat with hands, finger food. So, in this way you can take it and eat it. So that is why you let the skin. Yeah. Juicy and sweet. Now we have the bitter taste with grapefruit. White part here you need to remove. It's little details, but it makes difference. My crackers are cold. Look how beautiful it is. With nothing, we make a nice moment. As I said, it's no limit. You can play with whatever ingredients that you have in your fridge and that you like to eat, and you play with just your imagination to do in your creation to do the job. And believe me, it's really a relaxing moment. And after, it's a tasty moment and a good moment with your family, friends, or darling. I will serve it with a nice glass of champagne or a nice dry white wine, maybe Chardonnay based from Burgundy or from somewhere else. Or if you prefer and you have maybe a lot of smoked fish, more smoked fish in your plate, maybe go to Condrieu, some southeast part of France, in a Viognier based. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe to my channel.